Hi spice lovers, welcome to my channel Vishapana Spice, and today I'm going to cook something which is not only easy but is a classic in its own right. So to start this pasta, we're going to put some water for boiling and we're going to heat up a pan to make this sauce. To make the white sauce, we're going to start by making the roux, and for that we're going to put 1.5 teaspoon of butter, and to that we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of flour, and we're going to whisk it together so that they come together. To this we're going to add 250 ml of full fat milk. In case you do not have full fat milk, then you can always increase the amount of butter, because for a good rich creamy white sauce the fat content is important. Go easy on the salt because we're going to add cheese later. And for the pasta boiling liquor, we want the water to be really salty because we want the pastas to absorb the salt, and this will really enhance the flavor of the pastas later. Once your water has come to a rolling boil, it's time to add the pasta. I have added around 100 grams of pasta. Now we're going to season the white sauce with some Italian seasoning, the recipe of which is there in the description box, and we are also going to add some black pepper. If you wish, you can also use white pepper. In another pan we're going to add some oil, and we're going to add some chopped onion and some chopped garlic, and saute that till they are translucent. To this we're going to add some diced chicken. I've used chicken breast over here, and it generally takes around 30 seconds or 40 seconds to get cooked. We're going to add some veggies now, and we're going to add some sliced bell peppers and some sliced mushroom. Now we're going to add the pasta, and if you have noticed before, we have not used any oil while boiling the pasta, because if you are not storing the pasta and if you are using directly, it is better this way, because your pastas are then going to absorb all the flavors, and this is going to give you a much tastier pasta. So add the sauce, and we're going to add a little bit of more flavoring. So to this we're going to add a little bit of chili flakes, and we're going to add some more Italian seasoning. And obviously, since it's a cheesy pasta, we have to add some grated cheese. I would suggest some hard cheese like Parmesan if you can get hold of it, but if you do not have that, you can always add some processed cheese. Once you have added the cheese, give it a good stir and let the pastas soak all the flavors and goodness of cheese and the sauce and the different flavors that is there already in the pasta. And now it's time to serve. Make sure you have it hot, because there's no fun having it cold, isn't it? I like a little bit of flaky cheese right on top of my pasta once it's plated up. So I'm going to add some grated cheese on top. And if you've really enjoyed this video, and I'm sure that you have, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And do subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. Thank you for watching. Till next time.